I'm fishing with my dad, only me and Dad, because, you know why? Because my mom and my brother are getting home today and getting Terry presents. Bye.
Let's see you cast it.
Hey guys, do you know what these hook covers are? They for hook yourself in it, and then I never used this bait before, and I'm just and I'm using it right now. Bye guys.
Hold on. Show them how to take those hooks off.
Oh.
The hook guards off.
You do this. Oh, I can't.
Here, I'll hold it. You do it. Just pull it. Pull it hard. Pull it hard.
I'm trying to.
Oh, we got one. There we go.
Wait. So I'm gonna put it away.
Yep.
Here.
Grab the other one.
And the other one.
There we go. Okay.
Thank you. Here, put these.
Okay. Let's see how you cast that one.
Get at the end. And you flip it. Then get your window. It.
That was a good cast.
Dad, you see how I did it? I sometimes it's called what I do this sometimes. When it's not for how to see it and
Did you catch anything?
nope, I just made something myself. See how? Doing a series. So this is my RC boat I got. I just got it, Bushma got it for me. And it's a yacht and it has 2 motors. And I'm going to test it out on my lake. And this is what it drives on, a remote. And it has all the switch right here. And this makes it turn this way and that way. And if you press this backwards, it goes, this whole thing goes forwards, and if you press this button forward, it goes backwards. So let's just see how this thing floats.
Put it in there, yeah. Holy cow! When it beeps like that, that means it's getting too far away. So you gotta bring it back here. Stuck in the lily pads. Go backwards. Go straight. There you go. Alright. for it. It doesn't go backwards that well. So you have to make big turns, Jase. reverse it. There it goes. It doesn't reverse very good, does it? There you go. Good job. So it beeps when the battery starts getting low? Is that what it is, Jase?
Yeah.
So what happens if the battery dies and it's way out in the water?
We'll have to take the boat out and go get it.
How about you swim out there?
No, you have to. Then we can swim.
Hey, let me see. How does that motor work when it's out of the water? Let me see. Battery dead. Oh, you got it out just in time. Hold on, let me see. Maybe there's a sensor that has to be in the water. Alright, now try it. Yep. There's a sensor. It has to be in the water. It doesn't go in reverse very good, does it?
No.
One last run. Make it good. Bonk.
No. I'm going to check my engine and see if it overheated. And it's not running that fast as it was on my test run. I'm going to see what's going on.
That's what the instructions said, right? It might be really hot after it runs for a little bit.
Yeah.
You gotta open this up so it cools down and there's no water in it.
Can you open that one?
So you just flip these things.
There is. Yeah. Shift engine. Oh, overheated.
Oh, it is hot. That's how the battery unclips in there.
Yeah.
So when we get home, we'll charge the battery.
I think we're under this thing. Do we bring a towel? Oh, we didn't.
What do we need a towel for?
To dry this off.
The inside's not even wet. I'll close it up.
Close it up.
Just locked one of those because we're gonna take it off when we get home.
Daddy.
Charge it.
No, it's not in right.
Uh,
I didn't put it in right.
Tilt it up.
So next time I'm going to bring my tackle box and my fishing stuff, and then hook some line up right here, and then drag my boat out there, and then see if I can catch some fish like this.
So troll that boat with a fishing lure behind it?
Deep then I'll put the line deep, and then it can just sit there and let's see if we catch a fish. This thing can go 10 miles an hour, so I think it can wrestle that fish.
How would you know if you had a fish?
We'll have a bobble, and if the bobble goes down, I got a fish on. So, and the thing is really strong.
So then you'll use the boat to bring it back to the dock?
Yep.
Good idea.
I gotta wash the bottom off. I gotta wash the bottom off.
Alright, maybe we'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's go fishing on this boat tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Peace. So, we're here picking the tomatoes, and it's probably being the last time because there's lots of them. And hey, no!
Hey, I can't hear you when you talk the other way. This way.
And my dog's trying to eat them. So we're going to pick all the tomatoes and then make tomato pie with them, I bet.
Tomato pie. Alright, start picking them. Try not to eat all of them, okay?
Okay, I'll eat them all. Yeah.
What do you do with the bad ones?
Going back to my bowl.
Here's a container. Start filling them up. Why are you all the way in there?
I don't know. Trying to get these.
Storm's taking another one. You're not going to like the taste of this. Alright, we got a lot more to pick. Don't throw the good ones.
No, I'm throwing nothing.
Hey, don't purposely hit that thing.
Says, give me one. That sounds so nice.
How many did she eat?
12.
She didn't eat that many. She was eating the green ones though, right?
Could you not go back that pool?
Hey, just stop throwing them in the woods.
I'm throwing the bad ones.
You're not even looking which ones you're grabbing. Hey, you didn't even make the woods on that one. Storm. Don't stop eating the green ones.
Nope. So I'm over here at the beach. I'm testing my my new boat on the water over here on the lazy water. I'm going to launch it right here, and then I'm going to drive it from myself all the way over there to my dock. And I'm going to drive around, and I'm going to see if it gets those big waves. So let's see if my boat can do it. I'm going to go one side. Maybe I can get that. It's fine.
Don't step in the water with your shoes.
how much you got this morning.
Alright, get it off. I'll hold this.
Yeah. Probably that's one of my motors. This one's not good. Just gotta get the seaweed off this. Ugh. I hate touching seaweed. Yeah. Ugh.
Still a little bit more. Lola, do you want to drive it? No?
So if you push this past the goes for a lot. See? Except and the towards the do this. Yeah.
You gonna do it, Lola?
What did you find?
Ready, Mama? Now push this button to go forward. Ready?
Okay, stop it, Lola. Jase, let her do it. Okay.
Lola, come this way. Lola, John, come my way. Yeah, push that round button. Ready? Ready, Dad? Dad, jump. Ready, go. So we're at your boat launch, and I'm going to launch my boat here, and let's see how this thing does.
Wait, why are you all wet?
Because I was running in the bottom over there.
You got your boat stuck. Had to go out in the water to get it unstuck.
Yeah.
You weren't supposed to be in the water, but now you're all wet.
Yeah.
So don't get your boat stuck, otherwise you have to swim over here. You can't walk. See how it goes.
Ready?
Yep. Push it out there a little bit.
I think it's too slow. No.